everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. So I wasn't able to vlog the past few days kasi medyo stressful lang ang life. But now I'm back in vlogging, and right now I'm here in Taguig. I'm gonna go pick up my passport and see if na-approve tayo ng Korean visa or not. So we're gonna know yata kapag binilik yung passport if may nakastamp or something. And then after that we have an event to go to later this afternoon at 5 o'clock. So I forgot kung ano yun. I have to look sa planner ko. Pero it's about like parang cleaning services yata, something like that. Good thing it's really near home. So parang ano lang siya, South Triangle. So I haven't eaten lunch yet. So perhaps after the Korean visa pickup, I'm gonna go. Actually, gusto ko mag-peri-peri. If you haven't watched that vlog, kumain kami ni Mark sa peri-peri. Super sarap. Ribs plus the chicken. Super sarap talaga with the yung mga special sauce nila, kaya I really want to eat there again. Although I don't really know if aabot ako since 5 o'clock yung event, and there's also gonna be food there, so perhaps diretso na lang ako dun after ng Korean visa. So I haven't finished uploading or editing the makeup tutorial that I did for you guys nung nasa ano ako, na corner hotel ako. Yun, hindi ko siya na-edit kagabi, so I'm gonna upload that tonight perhaps, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Just got out of the embassy, guys, and na-approve yung visa. Yay! So we're gonna go to Korea on this month na pala yun. Grabe. I'm gonna eat muna. Ganit pala ng water, no? News. So I'm craving for peri-peri chicken, so that's where we're gonna go. Here is peri-peri, guys. Katabi siya ng Uncle Shafi. Ayan. Tsaka ng Amici. I ordered the same thing, guys. The chicken and the rib plate, which is super yummy. And then 3 sauces over here. Pwede kayong pumili kung anong gusto yung kainin dyan. And then nag-order ako ng mango smoothie ko. So, tapos na yung event, guys. If ever you wanna check out Dirty Jobs, I'll have the link in the information box. Go download their app. Pero sabi, di ba girl, sa ano lang muna? Android lang, no? Yung sa Apple daw, in the works pa daw. So, yun.
Pero meron sa desktop.
Merong desktop. Ayan, bongga yan. So, I think it's very helpful. Lalo na sa mga girl, laundry, water. Kahit pagpalinis ng aircon, meron sila. So, yun. I think it's very helpful. So, we're waiting for Uber. And yun lang naman ang event natin for the day. Nagbigay sila ng mga giveaway, girl. Look at that. Fronen yung mga kinain naming sausage kanina. Tapos, ang daming cronut, girl. Cronut for days. From ano ba yan? From Dolce Latte. Ah, okay. Girl, ano yung lipstick mo? Baka tanongin nila.
Sleek Matte Me, Old Hollywood.
Oh, Old Hollywood. Bongga. Ang ganda ng Dolce Latte dito, ah. Very, I'm home, guys, and I'm using the Wonderpore Ultra Clay Pack again from Etude House. Ayan. Alam mo, nagugustuhan ko siya. Kasi after nyo ilagay ito sa mukha niya, and then when you wash your face, as in, makifeel mo talaga na sobrang linis ng ng face mo. It really deep cleanses your skin. Yung pores, ganyan. Kaya, like ko siya, bongga. I've been trying it for, actually, second time ko pa lang ito gagamitin. Pero, I'm super duper impressed sa results niya. Yeah, na-feature ko to sa vlog ko, I think, 3 days or 2 days ago. Kaya ito itsura niya kapag basa pa. Pero yung mga yan, yung mga gayang part, ibig sabihin, nag-dry up na siya. Tumitikas yan. So today was an okay day. I'm just really so happy na na-approve yung visa. And we're gonna go to Seoul this month. I'm so excited. I haven't been to Korea ever. Kaya, yun, I'm really excited. Lalo na yung sinasabi nilang sobrang okay pag shoppingan daw. Myeongdong ba yun? Parang, basta street siya na puro makeup daw. So I'm really excited to hoard face masks. Kasi alam ko sobrang daming face mask na mas mura yata, if I'm not mistaken. So if ever you have been to Korea and you have some suggestions on kung saan ako pupunta or ganyan, actually, 1 day lang kasi yung free day namin. So, I was thinking if I should fly in earlier so that I can have like a whole day to myself, just, you know, exploring. And, yun. Gusto ko lang kasi mag-explore on my own. So, perhaps, siguro, I'll consider that. And then, the rest of the days, event siya. So, kailangan mag-work. And then, after that, yung last day namin is a free day. So, I'm still thinking. Pero siguro, isipin ko muna. And, ano pa bang major stuff? Oh! I have news about the apartment. So, I moved my move to a later date para lang ma-coordinate lahat. So, also really excited about that. And I'm also happy about something that is coming in very, very soon. Papakita ko sa inyo kapag nandito na siya. And yun lang. Medyo stressful lang kasi kapag mag-move ka talaga. When I first moved from my house to here, grabe yung mga gamit, nakakapagod kasi parang nakailang trips ako nun. Kaya sobrang timely nung event kanina, which is Dirty Jobs, kasi they have like movers. So we can try out their services and all of that. Kaya I'm really excited. Ano pa ba? Yeah, I'm just really, I've been out of it lately. Out of vlogging, ganyan. Medyo iba lang yung feeling kasi ng adulting these days for me. Medyo stressful. And at the same time, sumabay ang PMS ko. Kaya, oh my gosh, lalo na yung likod ko ngayon. If you watch my vlogs, you would know that I have scoliosis. And whenever I have PMS, it gets a lot worse. As in, sobrang sakit. Lalo na ngayon, lower back ko. It's killing me. Yung sa event kanina, hindi ko na kaya. Sabi ko, shucks. I cannot. Yung parang kahit anong pwesto mo, masakit talaga yung likod mo. Hindi ko maintindihan. So, yun. Ang gagawin ko ngayon, I will be editing vlogs for you or videos for you. I have 2 videos for you guys. And then, Netflix. Natapos ko na yung, what is this? How to Get Away with Murder. So, I'm waiting for the next season. And then, right now, tinatapos ko yung Orange is the New Black. Ito yung binigay ng, Dolce Latte Cronut. So, siguro dalhin ko sa bahay kila mama to. And then, Fronan. Ano ba to? Ooh! May lamig siya, girl. So, kailangan i-ref natin to. Let's see. Oh, diba? Alam mo, in fair, masarap yung ano nila, ha? Masarap yung, ang tawag dito? Frankfurts ba? Really yummy. Frozen siya, so kailangan natin i-ref to. And then this one, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kung anong itsura. Hold on, let me open this one. Okay. Ay, shucks. Sira. Ay! Oh my gosh, mukhang masarap. Yummy! Ay, ano ito? Ensaymada ba? I'm not really sure. Sige, open natin to bukas. Pero yun yung itsura niya. Thank you so much! So, I believe that is the end of the vlog for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please do check out Dirty Jobs PH. For me, bongga talaga siya. Yun. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!